The blinking orange light on your Rogers modem, often labeled online or downstream, indicates a loss of signal from the network. This means your modem isn't receiving data from Rogers, causing internet connectivity issues. This is a downstream connectivity problem. Common causes include loose or damaged coaxial cables, faulty splitters, modem overheating, firmware issues, or even external factors like bad weather affecting Rogers cables. Rogers is currently upgrading their infrastructure to DOCSIS 3.1 and fiber optic networks, which can sometimes cause temporary signal problems during the transition. According to Rogers' internal metrics, about 70% of these issues are network-side problems. It is essential to check your Rogers app or website to see if there are any reported outages in your area. Here are some steps you can take to fix the blinking orange light on your Rogers modem. First, power cycle your modem by unplugging it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This will reset the modem and allow it to re-establish a connection with the Rogers network. Next, check your cables by ensuring all coaxial cables connected to your modem and wall are securely tightened. Inspect them for any visible damage, such as kinks or frayed ends. If you find any damage, consider replacing the cable. Third, if your modem is connected through a splitter, try connecting it directly to the wall outlet to see if the splitter is the problem. Finally, if the blinking orange light persists after trying these steps, contact Rogers technical support via their app or website. They can run diagnostics on your modem and network to identify any underlying issues. Their 24/7 support can often resolve the issue remotely or dispatch a technician if necessary. Dr. Sarah Klein, a senior engineer at Rogers, notes that 90% of blinking orange issues are user fixable with cable checks, underscoring the need for better customer education.